Hello guys, today we are going to be making chicken stew. So I'll be using this particular kind of chicken. I will just go ahead and cut it. Then after that I will clean it. But before that I need to take out the breast, which I'm gonna use to prepare chicken curry in a separate video. So I'm taking out the breast and I'm cutting it into cubes like so. I'm doing so because I don't like to use the chicken breast to prepare the stew. I don't like to eat it like this. I need it either in salad or in chicken curry. Then I will be adding some skin, some cow skin, some pomo into the already washed and cut chicken. Then I will season it with my favorite seasoning: onion, garlic, ginger, seasoning powder, curry powder, thyme. Of course, I'm gonna be adding some rosemary. I love me some herbs. Then I will grate in some nutmeg as well. You can use powdered nutmeg if it's okay by you. For me, I love to see what I'm adding inside my food, so I'm using the main nutmeg. I'll be adding some black pepper as well. You can add habanero pepper, you can skip pepper if you don't eat pepper. Then after that, I will give it a stir, just like so. I want to marinate it for at least 5 to 10 minutes before I start steaming it. So I will stir it very well, allow it to marinate for at least 10 minutes before I will turn on my heat. After that, you start steaming it. Then after 10 minutes, I opened it to make sure it's not burning. Since we didn't add any water to this, it might burn if you didn't stir it. And make sure you cook on a low heat. After 10 minutes, you stir it so that the ones up will go down, and it will allow the meat or the chicken to start producing its own water. So after stirring it like so, I will cover it again, steam for at least 10 minutes. Then after that, I will remove the cow skin because cow skin has already been softened. I just added it so that I will season it properly together with the chicken. Then after that, I will be adding a little bit of water, cook till the meat is 90% done. Then I will take it out and pop it in my oven to dry. I will add vegetable oil in my pot, some bay leaves, some thyme, and I will add a pepper mixture which consists of onion, shombo, and the habanero pepper. Then I will be mixing the tinned tomato paste here with water while the pepper mixture is frying. I will just make this to be lighter in consistency, just like so, before adding it into the pepper mixture, so that I will fry both of them together. But meanwhile, I just want to tell you that this kind of making tomato stew makes it to splash a lot, so that's why I need that splash cover to cover it, otherwise it will splash everywhere. So time to time I will come and turn it, stir it so that it doesn't burn. Then I will cover it so that it doesn't splash all over the places, and before opening it, reduce the heat so that the splashing will stop. So before opening it, I reduce the heat before opening it to stir it. Then once the water has reduced to some extent, I added more water to this water that I will use to cook the stew. Then I will start seasoning it with my curry powder, salt, and chicken seasoning. If you need to add any other seasoning, you can add it, but otherwise everything is ready because I've added a lot. I've added ginger garlic earlier. I will just allow this to start cooking. After 20 minutes, I will stir it, I cover it again. Then after more 10 minutes, I came back, I added some basil leaf, I added some scallion onions. I will stir, and you can see the oil has started settling on top of the stew, which is a good sign that it's almost done. I will cover again for at least 10 minutes. I will introduce back the cow skin. Then after that, my stew is ready. I don't want to add the chicken in it. My family doesn't like chicken soaked in the stew. So when you take your portion of the rice and stew, then you take your chicken from here. That's what we be doing. And that's the end of today's video. If you love this method, please like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you again. Bye bye.